Palladian windows are known for their elegant design and timeless appeal. Featuring a large arched center window flanked by two smaller side windows, this distinctive style adds architectural beauty while providing practical benefits for homeowners. Whether used in living rooms, entryways, dining areas, or great rooms, Palladian windows can enhance both the appearance and functionality of a home. Beyond their visual impact, these windows offer advantages that include increased natural light, improved views, and added property value. For homeowners considering a window upgrade, Palladian windows provide a combination of style and performance that can enhance many types of residential properties. Enhancing curb appeal. One of the most noticeable benefits of Palladian windows is their ability to improve a home's exterior appearance. The elegant arch design creates a focal point that adds character and sophistication. Palladian windows work well with traditional, colonial, contemporary, and custom home styles, making them a versatile architectural feature. Their distinctive appearance can make a home stand out while contributing to greater curb appeal. Increasing natural light. Because Palladian windows feature a large central glass area, they allow substantial amounts of natural light to enter the home. Additional daylight can make rooms feel brighter. Larger, more welcoming, more open natural light helps create comfortable living spaces while reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Many homeowners appreciate the warm and inviting atmosphere that these windows provide. Expanding outdoor views. The large center window offers wide, unobstructed views of the outdoors. Whether overlooking landscaping, gardens, or surrounding scenery, Palladian windows help connect indoor spaces with the outdoor environment. The combination of the arched center and side windows creates a panoramic effect that enhances the overall appearance of the room. Improved views can make living spaces feel more relaxing and enjoyable. Adding architectural interest. Palladian windows often become a centerpiece within the home. Their graceful curves and symmetrical design add visual interest to both interior and exterior spaces. In rooms with high ceilings or open floor plans, these windows create a dramatic effect that can elevate the overall design of the home. Many homeowners choose Palladian windows specifically for their ability to add elegance and character. Improving home value. Architectural upgrades often contribute to a home's overall value. Palladian windows can increase visual appeal, improve natural lighting, and create distinctive design features that attract potential buyers. Homes with attractive architectural elements may stand out in the market and appeal to a wider range of buyers. Even homeowners who do not plan to sell immediately can enjoy the long-term value these windows provide. Energy-efficient options. Modern Palladian windows offer more than beauty. Many models include energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, insulated frames. Argon gas fills. These features help reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort throughout the year. Homeowners can enjoy expansive glass areas while still benefiting from improved energy performance. Energy-efficient designs help balance aesthetics and functionality. Versatile design options. Palladian windows are available in various sizes, materials, and finishes. Homeowners can choose from vinyl frames, fiberglass frames, wood interiors, decorative grills, custom colors. These options allow the windows to complement the home's existing architecture and interior design. Customization helps create a finished appearance that feels both elegant and personal. Professional installation matters. Because of their size and unique shape, Palladian windows require proper installation. Professional installation helps ensure accurate fit, proper sealing, structural support, energy efficiency, long-term durability. Experienced installers can help maximize both the appearance and performance of the windows. A timeless addition to any home. Palladian windows offer homeowners a combination of beauty, natural light, and architectural character. Their elegant design enhances both interior and exterior spaces while providing improved views and increased curb appeal. With modern energy-efficient features and numerous customization options, Palladian windows can serve as a valuable long-term investment. For homeowners seeking to add style, comfort, and lasting value to their homes, Palladian windows remain a timeless and attractive choice.